The Trump administration's mass deportation plan hitting a roadblock in multiple states. Judges in New York and Texas temporarily banning Venezuelan migrants in their jurisdictions from being removed under the Alien Enemies Act, days after the Supreme Court allowed those deportation flights to resume. NewsNation's Tom Dempsey has the latest for us from Washington. So, Tom, what led those judges to their rulings?
Hey, good morning from Washington, D.C., Anna. These judges in Texas and New York say that these detainees must have a court hearing first to prove that they are not gang members. So for now, for those Venezuelan immigrants, they will not be deported. But in both of these cases, the ones in Texas and New York, the judges actually went beyond the cases that were in front of them and granting temporary protection from deportation under the Alien Enemies Act for any Venezuelans jailed in the Southern District of New York, which includes Manhattan and the Bronx, or at a detention center in South Texas while their cases go through the courts. The ACLU has raised some big questions about whether the wartime law could even be used at all.
We are hoping this doesn't come down to hundreds and hundreds of individual cases of people having to prove they're not gang members, because we don't think the act during peacetime can be used at all.
These rulings fall in line with the Supreme Court's decision earlier this week to allow deportation flights under the Alien Enemies Act to resume as long as detainees were given their day in court. President Trump praised that ruling on Wednesday.
The Supreme Court just gave us numerous good rulings where we have to be able to get them out. You had other judges trying to take over the system. And think of it, they take over. They want these people coming back, Tren de Aragua from Venezuela, the Venezuela jails.
And speaking to the need for these court hearings, the judge in Texas, who actually was appointed by President Donald Trump, said that if any of these Venezuelan migrants were deported, there's a chance, mistakenly deported, there's a chance they wouldn't be able to be returned to the United States, which could be a direct nod to the case involving Kilmar Abrego Garcia.
Yeah,
Anna?
right, Tom. And so let's talk a little bit more about Kilmar Abrego Garcia, his wife now speaking out about what she says is his mistaken deportation.
Yeah, that's right. She actually was right here on Capitol Hill on Wednesday pleading for his safe return to the United States. And for our viewers at home not particularly familiar with this case, Kilmar Abrego Garcia was mistakenly deported by the Trump administration, which admitted an administrative error. And like I said, his wife now pleading for his return to the United States. Take a listen.
Kilmar, if you can hear me, I'm still fighting for you. Your brother, your mother, our children are still fighting for you. We're not going to give up hope.
Democrats here on Capitol Hill said they plan to press El Salvadorian leaders to secure the release of Kilmar Abrego Garcia. But also important to note that next week, the president of the country, El Salvador, plans to be at the White House to speak directly with President Donald Trump.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.